Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of Base, one of the most important platforms shaping the future of crypto, on-chain apps, and digital payments in 2026. In this video, I'll walk you through what Base is, how it works, its main features, the pricing, the pros and cons, and finally a balanced conclusion on whether it truly lives up to the hype. Let's get started. Base isn't just another blockchain. It's Coinbase's vision for a unified on-chain economy, one where creators, developers, businesses, and everyday users can interact, build, earn, trade, pay, and socialize, all in one ecosystem. Think of Base as the foundation layer for the next version of the internet, where money, identity, apps, and communities all live on-chain but feel simple and accessible, even to people who are new to crypto. What makes Base different is that it's not focused on just one thing. It's not only about trading, it's not only about DeFi, it's not only for developers. Instead, Base is designed to be the central hub for everything Coinbase wants Web3 to become. Simple, scalable, low cost, and usable in real life. Now let us talk about the main features of Base. The Base app. It's one of the biggest developments which replaces the old Coinbase wallet and turns it into a true super app. Inside the Base app, you can hold and manage crypto, trade and swap assets, discover on-chain apps, chat securely with other users, post and engage with social content, use mini apps without leaving the platform, and send and receive payments instantly. Next is the Base build, which is tools for developers. For developers, Base offers a complete set of tools to build on-chain applications easily. Developers can build Ethereum-compatible apps, launch DeFi platforms, games, social apps, and marketplaces, create scalable apps without worrying about high gas fees, and use familiar Ethereum development tools. Base also supports dedicated app chains, which allow larger applications to scale independently while still staying connected to the Base ecosystem. This makes Base extremely attractive for builders who want speed, low cost, and access to a growing user base. Base Chain. Fast, low cost infrastructure. Base Chain is where everything runs. Compared to Ethereum mainnet, Base offers extremely low transaction fees, faster confirmations, smooth app interactions, and compatibility with existing Ethereum apps. This makes everyday activities like payments, gaming, or social interactions practical and affordable. Base Pay. On-chain payments. Base Pay is the payment layer of the ecosystem. It allows users to send and receive USDC instantly, to pay with crypto using tap-to-pay features, to make low-cost payments to merchants, and to use crypto for real-world purchases. This is a major step toward making crypto usable outside of trading and speculation. Base accounts and identity. Base also introduces a unified account system. Your Base account acts as your wallet, your on-chain identity, your login for apps, your profile across the ecosystem. This removes friction and makes Web3 feel more like Web2, but without giving up ownership and control. Now, what is the pricing of Base like? There is no subscription fee to use the Base app. The network fees are extremely low compared to Ethereum, and sending USDC can be close to free, although trading fees may still apply depending on how and where you trade. So for everyday use, Base is one of the most affordable blockchain ecosystems that are available. What are the pros and cons of using Base? First, the pros. It's a true all-in-one platform. Low fees and high speed. It has Coinbase backing, creator monetization as well, and it is developer friendly. How about the cons? It is still evolving. There are regional restrictions and there are centralization concerns. No platform is perfect, so Base definitely has some drawbacks. But is Base perfect? No. But is it one of the most important crypto platforms in 2026? Absolutely. Base succeeds where many Web3 projects fail in user experience. It simplifies crypto without dumbing it down. It makes on-chain apps usable for normal people, and it connects payments, apps, identity, and social interaction into one ecosystem. That's why in 2026, Base stands out as the best new Coinbase Central app, not because it does one thing well, but because it brings everything together into a single cohesive experience. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore MetaMask, Binance Smart Chain Ecosystem, and OKX Wallet and Chain. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.